Ani. Kenny Pheasant again with our show Endaying. And this is our last video of this series about article words and food. And on this particular, again, you can download this off this post, all right? The lesson itself. So the food is plural and animate, and the people are plural. Okay, so article words you're going to be using: Gwanda and Gewe. And the question marker word is Winish. So here's the question. First person says, Kwe Jim Gewe Winish Gwanda. Second person says to the third person, Winish Gewe. And the person says, Skodis Minuk Gewe. Second person says to the first person, Skodis Minuk Gien Gewe. All right, now about eating food. All right, past tense. Okay. Kwe Jim Gewe when Wegnesh Gamijwat. Second person says, Weganesh Gamijek. Third person answers and says, Miniji Minuk Ngimwananik. Third person or second person says, Miniji Minun Gien Gimwawan. Right? Now, cooking food. Animate. Future tense. You got to remember all that, all right? Kwe Jim Gewe, Weganesh, Wamnazmowat. And the person says, Weganesh, Wamnazmek. And the third person answers, Penik, Nuimnazwananik. Second person answers, Penin. See, there we go again with that animate food. With that ending. Penin, Gien, Wimnazwawan. All right. I did it, Mama. Oh, this series is real challenging, but I got to do it on video, which is, you know, the downloading the lesson will help you a lot. All right. And there's more lessons. Now that I'm learning this technology and these techniques, I'm going to be producing more. One of the things I want to produce is prepositions: on, under, beside, in, and I'm going to bring all these objects and show you. All right, so that's going to be the next big thing that we're going to be doing on my show. I hope you're enjoying this. I don't want to be, boring you guys, but a lot of you guys like what we're doing, so it's because of you. You know, I listen to you guys. You said to ask, you tell me to do something, and I don't ignore it. I listen to you guys. All right, Kenny Pheasant signing off. Miigwech kabzindo yak minoanguding wingezik sana.